DRD Metaverse not only has city, but also includes ocean, jungle, beach, island, and natural life. With DRD Metaverse, all residents will enjoy more entertainment, such as surfing, hiking, sightseeing, and various lifestyles. Residents will have a better feeling in the DRD Metaverse than the real life. With such a beautiful scenery, I would like to stay here forever. Look at this gorgeous girl in the gallery. Creates more value on the hotel. In DRD Metaverse, residents can purchase hotel, house, beach, and even the island in the middle of the ocean with DRD. DRD Metaverse will keep creating more real-life feeling in our Metaverse city. Imagine that we lay on the beach side to watch the ocean, to enjoy this moment with all other DRD Metaverse residents, and also buy the island to fulfill the dream that real life could not afford. We can also take bus to the island easily in the Metaverse, and also commute to other cities to acquire more assets. All assets in DRD Metaverse can only be purchased with DRD. DRD Metaverse team will bring more exciting moments to our residents.